Welcome to BFF. I'm going to tell you the super coolest recipe in the world. Homemade ice popsicles. They're made out of watermelon and they're super duper yummy. My name is Nyasha and I'm going to tell you about how to make watermelon popsicles. But first you must remember to sanitize our hands before doing anything. So, this is the watermelon cubes I have, some mint, some lemon juice and some drops of honey. So, I'll put the watermelon cubes into the mixer. And now, I'll put some mint leaves. And now, some honey. And the lemon. So, I put all the watermelon cubes in here. I'll put the lid of this mixer and close it, and then I'll blend it. So, I have blended this, and now I'm going to put it very slowly in the mold so it doesn't fall over. And now we'll put the Popsicle-kids in. So now you can see that I've put in the sticks. We'll put it in the freezer. And remember not to eat outside ice cream that's filled with chemicals and bad other things that can affect your health. So you should only eat like this popsicles at home. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.